Number 1. Magnetic Levitating Globe. This is a perfect desk decoration for home and office, and this is an awesome high-tech gadget that people of all ages will enjoy. This high-tech gadget comes with a LED light feature that looks very cool when turned on in the dark. There is a microprocessor on the base and an electronic control system on the earth of the sphere, and there is an electromagnet and a magnetic field sensor on it. The earth will spin once you make it float by blowing gently into it. You can also give it as a great gift to your friends and family. Exhibition and display widely used in advertising, kids training, teaching new toys, home decoration, office and desktop, device decoration, business gifts, art and technology gifs, and creative gifts for birthdays and Christmas. The size of the picture is 81 inches by 7 inches. In addition to the optional globe, which measures 9 inches and comes in 3 colors, blue, black, and gold, a colorful LED light system is included to make the globe even more spectacular. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. This is a mini toy drone. Therefore, it is only fair to expect it to be small, and indeed it is. It measures 7 by 4.7 by 1.7 inches. With that size, you can pop this drone into your jacket pocket when you are traveling. With a photo and video resolution of 1280 by 720p, this small quad really takes good footage. You will get 2 500 mAh batteries when you buy the DERC-D20. Each battery is going to give you 10 minutes of flight time. In total, you will get 20 minutes of flight time. This is a good buy for people who want to give their children a gift that will leave a lasting impression on their mind. The affordable price, you can even buy 2 or 3 of these drones and gift your friends or family with them. Number 3. Bluetooth Beanie Hat Headphones. The Rotibox Bluetooth Beanie Hat feels like a useful novelty rather than a heavy-duty audio device or fashion piece. It delivers good quality audio, is very comfortable and warm, and has a battery that gives you about 6 hours of listening time. This Bluetooth beanie has a range of about 30 feet from the device it's paired with, the minimum range of any Bluetooth device. As far as Bluetooth beanies go, this product is on the higher end of the price scale. It's $40, while competing beanies are closer to the $15 mark. However, it's the most comfortable of the bunch and delivers the best sound quality. Number 4. Bedside Lamp with Bluetooth Speaker. Super multifunction touch sensor night light, Bluetooth 4.0 high fidelity speaker, digital alarm clock, MP3 player, hands-free call. Connect to Bluetooth super easily, compatible with all Bluetooth devices. Intelligent touch bedside lamp, dimmable bedside LED lamp with 7 colors, touch activation and full control of the brightness of the lamp, switch between warm white light mode and bright color light mixing mode according to your mood, soft the lights takes you into a sweet dream. Extraordinary sound quality Bluetooth speaker with high power woofer, unique bass technology. Bedside alarm clock with large LED 12-hour and 24-hour display, calendar and sleep mode. You can also let the couple create a romantic atmosphere or surprise. Number 5. Flexible laptop stand for couch. Desk York adjustable laptop table with non-slip mousepad for bed and sofa, birthday gift for him or her, college student, husband gifts from wife, aluminum laptop stand for couch with cooling fan. Upgraded with non-slippery mousepad up to 45 degrees angle. Just unbox it and ready to use. Your favorite desk organizer is here. Adjustable legs makes carrying easy, and the non-slip technology helps holding your mouse well. Easy to use, aluminum tray surface. Just press the lock buttons, joints on each side to choose your favorite angles and positions for a desk, recliner, and sofa, or in bed. Enjoy using it. This folding desk that fits in small spaces, this cozy desk convenient to use for multi-purpose stand for many different ways. Number 6. Wood Phone Docking Station. Every morning we are busy, trying to collect all the most needed daily items on desk will lose our precious minutes. With our wooden docking station, all your accessories and gadgets will always be organized. Our phone docking station is designed to hold and charge your phone. and it holds multiple accessories including but not limited to your keys, watches, rings, wallet, glasses, coins, pens, pencils, cards, headphones, necklace, bracelet, and jewelry to keep your space neat and clutter-free. A fashion way to keep phone and Apple Watch in an area that also holds keys, wallet, and rings. You don't need to run around in the morning looking for all of these because they are all in the same place. Number 7. Sleep Headphones Bluetooth 5.2 Headband. These comfortable headphones can help put you to sleep like a baby by playing your favorite music, sleep sounds, or even a lullaby as you rest your head. They're even great for playing sports or exercising. The device is built with 12.5 mm stereo speaker magnets and a microphone for crystal clear audio. It also has a long-lasting battery life that plays up to 10 hours on 2 hours of charging time. The headband itself is made of a special compressive fabric. This will help protect your ears and route to a great night's sleep. Number 8. Keyboard Vacuum Cleaner. Hankyop cordless vacuum cleaner comes with a 2500 mAh lithium battery. It can constantly work for 20 minutes with 3 to 4 hours full charge. His mini vacuum cleaner has a powerful suction up to 4.3 kPa and 65 watt power motor. It makes your daily life more convenient. This mini vacuum can clean for dust, hair, crumbs, cigarette ash, car, pet house. The laptop vacuum comes with a 2-in-1 nozzle. Its head brush nozzle is duster on rough surface like keyboard or car dashboard. The filter material is PTFE, which is stronger in filtering. It can filter 99.6% of dust, prevent secondary pollution. You can purchase the filter replacement on the same Desert Card shop. Number 9. Flying Orb Ball Toy. Super cool high-tech hand-controlled drone is new flying ball for 2022. To start the interactive play, just throw the mini drone in the air and grab and flip it to stop movement. This flying ball drone toy is made of high-grade ABS material which is lightweight and flexible, making it able to withstand countless crashes. Simply connect it to the USB connector for 25 minutes to fully charge. You don't need a lot of space to take off with our hand-operated drone. It's designed to work indoors as well as outdoors with a smooth flight pattern and boomerang effect. This hand-controlled drone is a fun novelty gift for birthdays, Halloween, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. It's a perfect enrichment gift for kids, teenagers, adults, and the elderly. Number 10. Extra loud alarm clock for heavy sleepers. Mirror Alarm Clock has a large 8.7-inch high-definition screen, more than most of the screen size of the loud digital alarm clock on the market. Only uses digital format to display the time, making the display clearer. There is also a USB charge port on the back of the LED alarm clock to charge your phone or watch, very convenient for rooms with limited power jacks. The universal alarm clock can only set one alarm. In order to help people plan their time better, Zbond bedroom alarm clock is designed with a dual alarm function. You can set an alarm to wake up in the morning and an alarm to remind you to sleeping, planning your life perfectly. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech info. Till next time.